In this video, we will show you how to descale your Nescafé Dolce Gusto Genio. We recommend descaling Genio every 3 months. You can buy the Nescafé Dolce Gusto Durgal Descaling Kit on our web shop. Pour the full bottle of descaling solution into 500 milliliters of drinking water. Make sure the water tank is empty. Pour the descaling solution into the water tank and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the descaling process. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still descale Genio. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Remove the drip tray. Use a container to collect the water. Make sure that the machine is off and hold the power button down for at least 5 seconds until it blinks green. It will keep blinking throughout the process. The machine will automatically display 7 bars. Move the lever to the hot position. For about 2 minutes, the water flow will start and stop. Then, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Now, move it to the cold position. This time, you'll notice the flow is continuous. Once again, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. For maximum descaling effect, wait for 2 minutes. Empty the container and put it back. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Move the lever to the hot position. Wait until the water stops. The lever automatically returns to the stop position. Now, move it to the cold position. Once again, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. At the end of the rinsing process, the power button stops blinking. Remove the container. Put the drip tray back. Switch off Genio. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Be careful of the water injector. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Rinse the capsule holder with drinking water. Dry and reinsert it. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Genio.